Today we're going to unbox the Dayette Air Purifier, which we got right here. It says it'll capture 99.97% of airborne particles, 3 microns in size. So let's open this up, see what we've got here. You got some instructions here at the top. They've got it packed pretty nicely, a little padding there. And then this is the actual air purifier itself. So let's pull that out of the box. I want to see what this looks like so we can see what the format of this is. I do like the size of this. This is fairly compact in terms of size, so if you put this in a room, it's not going to be too obstructing or anything like that. Looks really pretty cool, actually. It looks kind of like, if I didn't know better, I think this was a desktop tower for a PC or something like that. So that's kind of neat. And then what you've got is this cord here that is going to plug into it. Let's see where that is going to go. And maybe we can get it turned on here if I can find where this thing plugs in and what it does. So, well, oh, there we go. It is down here at the bottom in the corner like that as well. And then this appears to be the front face of this, so that that's where it's all going to turn on. Let's plug this thing in and get it started. Sometimes with these, there are like filters that you need to make sure that there's no plastic on. That's how they ship them, so the filters come clean and don't get contaminated. So it looks like we can open this up right here in the front, and yep, that is the case. It does have a filter in here that is in a bag, so you want to make sure that you take that out of there. Take it out of the plastic bag, and then hopefully we get this right. I think it goes that way. Okay, it says front, top, and then we're going to slide all this stuff in here. So we want to get this nicely seated. Okay, it seats right in there. Then we've got this piece here that looks like it clicks in place. Okay, we've got a nice cover there. And all right, we got our front on there. Now let's take a look and see at the back if there is anything in this that also needs to be unboxed. There is. We've got another filter here. This is the HEPA filter, and we need to put that in as well. So this actually has 2 filters, which is pretty cool. We're going to take that out of the bag, and then looks like it's another one that says front. Now, one thing that I'm noticing about this, which is pretty cool, is that a lot of filters don't have a gasket like this. This has this gasket up here at the top that seems to really seal it well. And sometimes I've noticed with other air purifiers, they don't have that gasket and stuff can get around the sides. With this, I think it's going to capture a lot more stuff because things aren't going to get around that gasket. It seems to seal pretty well. We put in our filter, dust collector there. And now we put that back on. Okay, this thing, I believe, is ready to go. So we're going to plug this in and see if it powers up, and then just go through the motions on this for a little bit and see if we can't get it running and purifying some air. And then I'm going to run it for a little bit and go from there. So, all right, I just plugged it in. All right, it powers up. That's pretty cool. Take off these little stickers here. And let's see what it does. Let's turn it on right there. Oh, that's cool. It's got, I'm going to zoom in here so we can see it. Got some different colors and lights there. I can hear it going. It's on auto mode right now. And then I'm assuming that's going to populate with some information once this thing really gets going. PM 2.5. I have no idea what the 004 means or any of that stuff. This is the first time that I've opened this up. But we'll go through there. You've got a couple different fan speeds there. So 3 fan speeds and then auto. I'm going to leave it on auto. You've got a night mode, it looks like, up at the top. I'm just going to show you what you've got as far as controls. So like a sleep or night mode, it's really quiet, which I like. So if I turn this on, let's see, 1, you can barely hear that thing is even running, which I like. You can put it on a timer, and then there's also, it looks like a turbo mode here. So let's just see what turbo mode does. Oh, that puts it into like high gear. The fan's super loud if you need to clean something. So we'll turn the turbo mode off. You could have it run for a certain number of hours, and then you can lock it. And then I don't know what this does. HEPA. Oh, it'll have your HEPA filter going as well. It must allow you to make a selection there, but I don't know. I'll have to look at the instructions for that. But we'll just put it in auto and then let this thing run. So overall, hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Dayette Air Purifier. Seems to be a nice little piece of equipment here. I like the display on there. Make sure that if you get this, you take the filter plastic out. It really is a compact size where you could put this in the room and it's not going to feel like it takes up too much space. So I do love that compact nature of it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.